Now today it's the timing to create donut charm, and it's like pie chart. uh, in last video we have created pie chart using Hollywood most profitable data. Now it's a time to go ahead with a blank report, and what we will do now, we will create a donut chart which has symbol here, and we will create this donut chart with data VG sales, video game sales. We have even used it before, and I will provide the link for this data to download in description box of this video. Okay, and you can download. So first we see the fields which it have. So in this way we will change the composition of donut chart, and uh, you can see that if we drag and drop genre to the legend, and we will drop few values like European sales, North, and you can see what it's looking like. European sales, how much genre it's having. It's having almost 12 genre, and it's giving information about action to strategy. There are different genre, including shooter, racing, miscellaneous platform. And you can see as we hover over, it's showing the data of sales plus genre in the tooltip. Let's change it, and we will simply drag and drop North American sales to the values. Now, this donut chart has large number of arcs. To view these, we can simply go where we can see genre and sum of North American sales. Now you can easily see that it's showing the same genre even there. Same number of genre but two different countries. Then it's having large number of arcs. If we add one more value, like we are going to add Japanese sales to the values, then you can see it's having a huge number of arcs. It's even very tough to differentiate. So one of the advantage of donut chart over pie chart is that it is possible to have multiple nested donuts. These forms concentric rings, one inside another, representing composition of different fields. We are not going to represent it, but it's really possible. Now you have enough knowledge of this donut chart. Now go to the format pane. As we move to the format pane, we will go to the first detail labels. We are doing it on, and as we expand it, we are having label contents data value percentage, which is currently here. If there is number of category, you can change number of value associated with, where you can set it to the different value like data value, percent of total, category, data value, all detail labels. So this is reset to the data value percentage. Now if we go down and we will go to the values, we can see where various type of value change we can even here. We can have here, we can even increase this size. It will give a better view, I think. So value, one more important concept I want to tell you, value decimal places or percent decimal places, up to what you want. It's auto, but you can set it to the 1, and you can set it to the 0. 0, I think it's fine. It's really not important. Similar way, if I'm going to change it to the 0, now it's looking like better. Okay. It's showing in a percent of the total, and it's showing in the how much value is there, and it is the sum of EU sales, Japan sales, and North American sales, as we can see on the title here. This immediately changes the appearance of the donut chart. Let's go to the filter pen and expand it. We can apply filters on each of these visual. Apply filters so we can manage the arcs. So we will go here. We will go for filter for genre. Even we have discussed earlier, there are three kinds of filtering: basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top end filtering. So what we are going to do now, if we are going to change it to the top end, let's see, we are going to change it top end. Let's see, we want to see only top 5 fields, and by value we are going to add here a value by global sales. And as we click on apply filter, you can see there will be here. You can see now it's the donut chart. As we click on it, you can see how beautifully we applied the filters on donut chart. Still there are 15 slices of top 5 for each genre for 3 different regions: Japan, North America, and European Union. So now we can even explore to the focus mode if we really want. You can see how beautifully it's showing shooter, sports, action by different color. As we hover over, we can see the details, which state it's showing. Some of North America genre shooter, and this is this one value. Role playing, some of North America. Role playing, some of Japan. Role playing, some of European sales. So I guess you understood how we can change and play around it. So what we will do now, we will now go to the back to report. Now again go to the format pane and here now go to the shapes card. Here is not shape card. So you can, if we are going to listen, I have to search even it. Color spacing. If inner radius, yes, I was searching this. In different version of Power BI, it may vary. In format pane, it may slightly vary which option is where, or in which slicer, or in which title, or in which option of a visual it's. So here inner radius is 60%. See, if I'm going to increase it, you can see the change in donut chart. So we can change the thickness of central region, and it's possible by simply click. Now if I am going to change it to the 0 value, now you can see what will happen. You can simply change your chart to the pie chart. See, now it's 9%. So this is the beauty of donut chart. You can have multiple things across to play around and to view in a better way. Now I'm I'm going to set it back to the 54%. No, it's a good way to represent. So you can turn it to into a fully pie chart. So we can change even thickness. We can make appearance of multiple arcs together for multiple. It can show the data for multiple cities. So multiple cities, multiple country in a all together way. So guys, from my side, it's all about donut chart. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. I will start a new demo for new topic.